The world is witnessing the rise of electric vehicle, and the backbone technology of electric vehicle is battery. Typically, there are two type of batteries, lithium ion battery and lead acid battery. Lithium ion battery is more popular with small electric vehicles, whereas lead acid battery is more popular with high performance vehicles and equipments like power backup system and telecommunication, mainly used in commercial use. The main problem with lithium ion battery is that its recycling capabilities. The problem lies with lithium battery is that it cannot recycle, at least as of now. On the other hand, lead acid battery has capability of recycling almost 90% of its products. Interestingly, US uses almost 95% of lead used in battery to make new lead battery after recycling. In return, more sustainability, more affordability, and light on climate also. Long story short, we are talking about Pondy Oxide. Pondy Oxide and Chemicals started in 1995 is engaged in producing lead and lead alloys and PVC additives, primarily used in plastic industry. The core business of Pondy Oxide is to recycle lead from scrap and convert it into lead metal and lead alloys and few other products. The product is then supplied to battery manufacturers and chemical manufacturers. They are exporting almost 50% of their products to countries like South Africa, Japan, Indonesia, Middle East, etc. Pondy Oxide also has a large clientele which includes big name like Amar Raja Battery, Oxide, JK Tires, Supreme Industry, Sri Ram, MRF, Tata, to name a few. We all know electric vehicle industry is growing globally and there is a huge demand for environmentally friendly battery recycling solution. Interestingly enough, Pondy Oxide is also developing its own lithium battery recycling technology, and once this is done, it will be a game changer in battery recycling industry. Interestingly, Pondy Oxide has been in metal, chemical, and battery recycling business for more than 27 years and is India's first and the only lead brand registered in London Metal Exchange. The technology which Pondy Oxide is using is the key element in automotive industry, which will also be playing a crucial part in renewable power storage and telecommunication industry. On the other hand, Pondy Oxide has done partnership with Ace Green Recycling to set up the world's first largest emission-free battery recycling plant. See, according to my analysis, Pondy Oxide is one company which has strong fundamentals and has huge potential to grow in future. As the electric vehicle industry grows globally, there is a huge demand for environmentally friendly battery recycling solution. Daily time frame, Pondy Oxide. We can see from past almost 2 months, the stock was in consolidation phase. This is 200 moving average, and it has recently given a breakout from 200 moving average, and it's a sign of a stock going up. Recently, the breakout has given, and if it sustains above 570, I believe it has huge potential of going upside. Fundamentally, it's good. The chart is also showing good. If you keep it for a few months, I believe it will give you good returns.